The C-130 Fighter Jet Teyara 2025 takes the legendary legacy of its predecessors and pushes it into a new era of power and precision. From the moment it rolls into view, the mixed glossy, ultra-shiny finish catches the light in a way that screams futuristic dominance. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagination of what a military aircraft can look and feel like. Inside the cockpit, you're welcomed by a digital interface that's more spacecraft than aircraft. The dashboard is packed with smart high-resolution displays, reactive systems, and a cockpit layout that's both intuitive and aggressive. Every switch, every panel, every screen is engineered for speed and control. Take a look at the seating: sleek, ergonomic, and built for extreme conditions. The seats are wrapped in a combination of carbon-layered materials and shock-absorbent tech, ready for both long-haul missions and tactical deployments. Comfort meets combat readiness in every inch of this interior. From the rear, the C-130's powerful stance becomes even more intimidating. The jet exhausts, stabilizers, and tail structures showcase a design that balances brute strength with aerodynamic efficiency. The mixed color scheme across the body glistens under showroom lighting, making the aircraft as visually striking as it is mechanically advanced. The engine performance specs haven't been released in full detail yet, but based on early test footage and insider reports, we're looking at top-tier thrust capacity, advanced stealth capabilities, and a next-gen avionics suite that puts it ahead of anything in its class. If you're looking at the future of tactical air superiority, the C-130 Fighter Jet Teyara 2025 isn't just part of the conversation, is the conversation.